Buenos días a todos. Today we are going to see in which situations we have to use the pronouns la or lo versus le for singular and las or los versus les in plural. Let's start to see a simple chart. We have a difference between direct and indirect object pronoun. We don't have that distinction in English. That's English speakers usually get confused with it. On the chart, we use lo or la for a direct object pronoun and le for indirect object pronoun. The same happens in plural form. But what is a direct object? A direct object is a word or phrase that receives the action of the verb. In the sentence, the student eats a chocolate cake. The direct object is a chocolate cake. The word eats is the verb, and a chocolate cake is what's being eaten. In Spanish, el estudiante come una torta de chocolate. El estudiante la come. The direct object becomes the subject in passive voice, and this is a simple way to identify a direct object. A chocolate cake is eaten by the student. Una torta de chocolate es comida por el estudiante. Let's see some more examples. The family hugs the dog. La familia abraza al perro. La familia lo abraza. My cat eats grapes. Mi gato come uvas. Mi gato las come. Now, let's see what the indirect object is. An indirect object is the word or phrase that receives the direct object. In the sentence, the student gives the teacher an apple. The indirect object is the teacher. The direct object is an apple, and the teacher is the one who ate it. In Spanish, el estudiante le da una manzana. If we want to clarify, el estudiante le da una manzana a la maestra. El estudiante le da a la maestra una manzana. The woman gives vegetables to the cat. La mujer le da vegetales al gato. The man writes his parents a letter. El hombre les escribe a sus padres una carta. In addition, we can use these pronouns for the object pronoun you in formal situations. Do I know you from somewhere? ¿La conozco de alguna parte? O lo conozco de alguna parte. I told you the truth. Les digo la verdad. Now I share you some activities. Complete the following sentences with a correct direct or indirect object pronoun. Well, that was all for today. If you have any doubt, you can write it in the comments. Nos vemos la próxima.